Welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. Today we are making boneless ribs on the smoker. Nothing fancy, just a little AP, that salt, pepper, garlic profile, and some barbecue rub. My favorite is Killer Hogs. Use your favorite. Let's jump right into this thing. Let's go.
All right, guys, welcome back. We're going to use Chipotle Tabasco as our binder today. I really love this stuff because it's got that smokiness that I like, and it's also not that hot, but it does have a nice kick. So that's what we're going to use. So get a few dashes on that meat and we'll start rubbing it in. We're going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side here. All right, next thing up is that AP. Nice even coverage of that. And then we'll also flip it over and do the same thing. And then now we're going in with that sweet barbecue rub. Go ahead and flip those over and do the same thing on the other side. Oh yeah, looking good. So we're gonna let that season and work on that meat while we get the smoker up to temperature here. We're gonna use about 3/4 of a chimney today, along with some hickory wood, which is my favorite wood to smoke with. All right, now it's time to get these bad boys on, and we're smoking about 250 to 300 today. And what we're gonna do here is let them roll for about an hour. That's what we're looking like. Then we throw the lid back on, smoke for another hour, and then we'll be ready to glaze these babies up. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, by the way, if you haven't checked out our smoked sausage burnt ends video, check that out. In the description is the recipe for this homemade barbecue sauce. Absolutely delicious. Shout out to my boy Gary. He's the one that come up with this. And then after we glaze it, we throw the lid back on for another 15 minutes or so to let that sauce thicken up real nice. And I apologize for the lighting right here. It got kind of dark on me near the end of this cook, which was about, 2 hours, about 2.5 hours. So we'll get these bad boys off. They are ready to go. And I was shooting for about 175 to 185 internal today with these boneless ribs, but oh yeah, here we go. Get a nice look at that. Hey, I know you want to bite. Ooh, this was so good, y'all. All right, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch y'all next time.